So today we're here at Disney Springs.
Yeah, it's been a while. So today we're here to check out some new restaurants, construction updates, and much, much more.
So stick around. Not sunny, but sunny.
Yeah.
Woo!
So our first thing is a construction update.
It's loud.
As you can hear. It is the NBA experience.
Yeah.
Do you know what this is?
Basketball.
A lot of sports coming summer 2019.
Yeah, construction.
Yeah, no. So if you know more information about the NBA experience, please leave it down in the comments below, because I really don't.
It's Pepe!
What's Pepe?
Pepe!
Oh, quick service.
Hey. So this is one of the new quick service places. It's Pepe by Jose Andres, part of the new Jaleo. Looks like sandwiches and salads and soft serve and drinks and wine. I mean, come on. But yeah, quick service.
Galileo, 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 Galileo.
Jaleo.
When did this turn into a song by Queen?
Jaleo. Jaleo, yo, yo, Jaleo, yo, yo. Southern.
I literally can never take these guys anywhere.
Queso.
Yummy, yummy food.
Yum, yum.
It's a little pricey, but the restaurant inside looked really good. There was a lot of color. It was very themed. Looked very fun and spunky.
I really
Colorful.
liked how there's 2 floors and seating outside on both too.
Lots of seating. They did a good job with that. So
I just don't understand the quick service part of it. It's kind of just thrown in with the actual restaurant, and I don't understand.
chocolate.
Aaron wants to look in the ganachery, but I see something that looks new.
What is that?
The Savannah Bee Company.
Huh.
I'm assuming everything has to do with honey.
It's cute.
Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Energy drink. Honey.
Huh.
So I'm assuming everything here just has honey in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Including energy drinks.
Honeycomb.
Roasted honey coffee.
Yum.
Yum. I'm gonna try
No
some honey.
sweetener needed.
Try some honey.
Is that just normal honey?
Yeah.
Okay. That's actually pretty good. Really good.
Tastes like honey. I tried the Tupelo honey and I don't know the difference. Tastes like honey.
Over here? It's a cute idea for a store. Kind of like it. We found Alex and Aaron's favorite place.
Wine by George.
Wine Bar George. I mean, yeah.
I just want all the wine.
Wine.
Wine Bar George, it's very, very good. I like it. It's just so expensive.
It is.
But it's worth it.
It is worth it. I mean, like,
It's a good place to like try a different kind of wine. So,
yes and no because of how expensive it is.
But they have like little
but they have
pours.
so
You can do like
many.
half pour, full pour.
They have 1 and 2 ounce pours, but it's still super expensive
Yeah.
for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you
I mean,
can
they're not
try
wrong.
a like $500 bottle of wine for only $30.
Great.
Cool.
When it comes to sit-down restaurants at Disney Springs, my favorite restaurant right here, Raglan Road.
Yay, it's open. Oh, hey.
I don't like how that.
Oh yeah, it's a weird feeling.
And
It feels like a cheap material.
I think. Yep, only kids, because that's.
It's
the
a cool
largest
design,
kids.
but it feels.
It's not. It feels printed on.
Yeah.
Honestly, so not a good quality. Probably won't last in the wash, but it's neat design.
Okay, those are actually really, really cute.
I just don't like how that. It's
Oh God.
that's rabid.
Oh Jesus.
Rabid. Oh, yeah.
Why? Why? Ruined.
Yikes.
Ruined.
That is a bad place to put the seam. Who is your friend that likes to play?
Bing bong, bing bong.
He smells good.
Does he actually smell like strawberry?
Yeah.
Or cotton candy or whatever it is?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Oh, this is you, dude.
Elephant part.
Cat.
Cotton candy cat thing. I don't even remember what it is.
It's cute.
He's fuzzy.
How much
I
is it?
also like this mug.
27.
Okay. How much is the mug?
The mug is 17 or 16.99, but like
cute.
17.
That is really cute.
Yeah.
that.
I like how it has the memory balls on it too.
Same. I just wish they did some that were like double colors because, you know,
Summer
multiple
Don't
memories.
spoil the movie.
It's been 3 years.
Spoiler alert.
It's been 3 years.
Why? Downloading the fun. Do we need to download? Do we need to stream? Why don't you have fun?
Like, you're at Disney.
Just be at Disney.
Put down the phone and enjoy it.
I don't know. I can't.
Oh, we can't come to Disney Springs without going to the co-op because
Dresses.
maybe she'll actually try one on for you guys today.
Can I?
Sure.
Yay! It's so cute. Look at it.
Which one are you going to try on?
It has pockets.
Are you going to try on this dress? Are you trying on this one?
Yes.
Go try it on.
Yay!
While Aaron tries on the dress,
Yes.
Alex and I just kind of wait awkwardly like every other male here.
Yes. Like actually nice material. Like. it's
In the
got
tiki
gold
tiki 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 room. In the tiki 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 room.
Yeah, so fun. And it's like, how much is it? It is only $30. So not bad at all. Decent price.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is kind of strange, especially in Florida. It's like a turtleneck
It's like
almost.
a choker collar almost.
It's a little bit strange, but I still like it. And then the back is like slightly opened.
Really cute dress for $128.
Yay, dress shop. Yeah, so that's the thing. Dress shop is a little bit expensive.
Puppies! Well, furry friends, but mostly puppies. You know what I'm sad about? They don't have anything for the best pupper in the world.
That is true. That is one thing I'm shocked about.
They got like Minnie. They got a lot of the other ones. They got Mickey represented, but no Pluto.
Yes, because you know everybody needs Star Wars for dogs.
But what dog would want to eat Pluto?
True.
Yeah, so it's better to have Darth Vader because he's nasty. Gnaw him up.
But if he's nasty, why would you want to eat him?
Oh, dogs are weird.
So yeah, it was a good day around Disney Springs. We just wanted to check out some new stuff.
Check her out. Yeah, it was fun. Got to see some good stuff and construction.
Yeah.
All good stuff.
So excited to eat at all the new food places.
Yes, and I'm excited to try out Jaleo because the
Jaleo.
menu looks really,
Jaleo.
really good.
No.
Yeah. But no, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff down below. Hit the bell icon.
Ding, ding, ding.
I think we're gonna leave it there for today.
Yeah.
Okay, but I gotta know. When are we seeing Captain Marvel?
Right
Right
after
now.
we finish this.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right. I guess
Okay.
we'll catch you on the flip side and see you next time on
The EAZ.
EAZ.
Bye.